Today, we will be walking you through how to perform reverse phase chromatography on a YAMAZEN Smart Flash system. Start by setting up your separation column. The preliminary run can be done with an S-sized column. Once you have your column placed on the rack, open the YAMAZEN software, select your column size, and choose ODS in the Medium Selection tab. For your solvent system, select water and methanol. Activate your column by running an equilibration with 100% methanol or 100% acetonitrile. After activating your column, click the Method is Setting button, and the method for your preliminary run will automatically display on the screen. After the method for the preliminary run has been set, perform a second column equilibration. While the equilibration is in process, load a small amount of sample into a mini inject column. Make sure to load your sample slowly and carefully. Now that the equilibration is complete, carefully place the mini inject column onto the stand as seen in the current example. With everything in place, start your preliminary run. Once the preliminary run is complete, select the target peak on the screen by clicking on it. You will then need to select the nearest impurity to your target peak. In this case, we want to separate the third peak from its shoulder, so the second point we are selecting is the shoulder itself. With both peaks selected, elution position control and sample load calculations can be done. Choose your gradient and select the column size based on your sample amount. Perform a final equilibration with the solvents from your sample run. While the equilibration is running, load your sample into an ODS inject column. ODS inject columns have a special structure that allows the liquid sample to be easily adsorbed. Once the final equilibration is complete, set up the inject column on the column stand. With the sample ready, start the preparative chromatography. A sample run with proper retention will now be carried out. The third peak from the preliminary run has now been separated into two distinct peaks with great resolution. Using this method, you can perform reverse phase chromatography with YAMAZEN's Smart Flash technology and consistently achieve great results.